what is an nth root? Right. Well, we know that the square root is the same thing as x to the 1/2 power, or the cubed root is the same thing as x to the 1/3 power. The fourth root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/4 power. The rule we need for this section is that the nth root of x is the same as x to the 1/n power. How are we going to use that? We're going to use that to evaluate, right? So looking at these examples, 100 to the 1/2 power is the same thing as the square root of 100. And then I look in my squares and I find 100. The square root of 100 must be 10. Or 16 to the 1/4 power. I need to start by rewriting it as the fourth root of 16. And then I look in my fourths column and I see, well, 2 to the 4th is 16, so the fourth root of 16 must be 2. What about 100,000 to the 1/5 power? Right. Well, that one is my fifth root of 100,000, but that's not in my fifths column, right? Like it would be off the list. But I remember multiplying by tens, just added zeros. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here, right? So it must have been 10 times 10 times 10, right? 5 times, right? 5 tens, or 10 to the 5th power, which means the fifth root of 100,000 is 10. None of the ones that you have to practice are going to be off the lists, right? Those are all going to fit on the lists. And the last one, 27 to the 1/3 power. If I rewrite it first as the third root of 27, right, then I look at my cubes and I find 27 is 3 to the 3rd power. So the third root of 27 is 3. Seeing if you could try a few similar problems.